Curious about the Home Business Academy? If you are, you're in the right place. Over the next few minutes, I'll explain what it's all about. The Home Business Academy, established in 2016 by Mike Hobbs and Paul Hutchings, is an affiliate marketing company that has distributed over $3.7 million in commissions to its affiliates and contributed over 250,000 meals to feed my starving children. This academy offers a generous 80% commission rate. To date, it has supported over 1,200 individuals in earning commissions online. Their core mission revolves around achieving freedom through principled leadership. They aim to fulfill this goal through two primary approaches: their 80% commission structure for affiliates and their diverse range of products. The Academy's primary offerings include three main products. The first is the HBA Funnel Builder, a tool that lets users design various types of websites, such as lead capture pages, landing pages, sales pages, membership sites, and more. Priced at just $25 per month, it also offers a $20 recurring commission for every referred customer. Included with the Funnel Builder is the HBA Funnel Builders Academy, a complete training program designed to help users quickly set up their online projects. This training is provided at no extra charge. The second product, the HBA Traffic and Conversions Academy, provides a suite of digital tutorials from seasoned online marketers, including the co-founders Paul Hutchings and Mike Hobbs. Additionally, it features group coaching sessions held multiple times each week, allowing users to observe others' marketing strategies, ask questions, and receive feedback. This product costs $125 per month and offers a $100 referral commission for each customer. The HBA Funnel Builder and HBA Traffic and Conversions Academy are the only subscription-based products offered by the Academy. Affiliates who purchase and refer both products can earn a $120 residual commission per customer. This setup allows affiliates to achieve positive cash flow with just 2 referrals and earn an extra $600 monthly by referring 5 active customers. To reach a $3,000 monthly residual income, 25 customer referrals are required. The Home Business Academy is dedicated to making a meaningful impact in the home business sector, promoting prosperity while upholding core values such as transparent marketing and honest communication. They also lead by example, donating a portion of their revenue to charitable causes, believing that small actions can contribute to solving larger global challenges. If this information interests you and you want to know more, send me a message or click the link in the description below, labeled "Get Started Here with HBA." Thank you for watching. Always strive to pursue your dreams. And if you're viewing this on social media, please like or subscribe for more updates like this in the future.